Hello foodie adventurers! Well, New Year is around the corner, which means it's a great time for us to change and reinvent ourselves in this fast-paced life. For me, it's all about reinventing my kitchen tools and accessories. The concept of kitchen is the heart of the home absolutely resonates with me. And that's why I trust Thin Kitchen, because their products have this fine balance between functionality and design, ranging from kitchenware to tableware. And today what I'm going to do for all of you is twist and make an exciting recipe, give a new identity to the vegetables that we all know. I'm going to show you baked stuffed vegetables with a spicy tomato sauce. Let's begin with the first component, and that is stuffing the vegetables, for which what I have done is I've cut some vegetables and converted them into little cups. I've created little hollows, say a red onion, some bell peppers, zucchini, brinjal, tomatoes, mushrooms, vegetables of your choice. Well, these are my personal favorites. You can go all out and bring in the vegetables of your choice. Let's begin with grated cauliflower. Well, this itself makes the recipe quite unusual. Instead of taking rice or soya chunks or soya granules, well, cauliflower just does magic. To this, let's add in cooked white peas, freshly chopped coriander leaves, salt as required, and finally some chili powder. Let's mix all of this well. With this, our stuffing mixture is done and ready. Let's keep this aside and begin with stuffing the vegetables. Well, our vegetables are stuffed and ready. Let's now move on to the baking process, for which, of course, I have a baking tray. Well, I personally feel baking trays are quite unsung heroes in the kitchen, which generally go unnoticed. Today, let's change that forever with our trusty sidekick, the Zyliss durable non-stick baking tray from Thin Kitchen. Let's arrange our stuffed vegetables on the baking tray. You can literally place these vegetables the way you please, because the heat distribution is as even as it gets due to its heavy duty carbon steel. This is literally like a red carpet for our lovely little stuffed vegetables. Let's now start baking these at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 22 minutes. Let the flavor alchemy begin. While our stuffed vegetables are having a field day in the oven, let's quickly move on to making the tomato sauce using our Masterclass Smart Space non-stick saucepan. The best part about this saucepan is that it's stackable, meaning it won't take up too much of your space. The one size fits all lid and sits comfortably on top. Let's begin with salted butter. Let's add in paste of garlic and green chilies, and along with this, red chili powder. Let's stir this well, and when the raw flavor goes away, I'm going to add in tomato pulp. Along with this, tomato ketchup, and along with this, salt, sugar, and dried oregano. Let's stir this well and allow this to simmer on medium flame for at least 20 minutes. Ensure that the rawness of the tomatoes go away and the sauce is nice, silken, smooth, and well cooked. Our spicy tomato sauce is piping hot, but with the help of the comfortable grip handle, which can be easily attached and detached, it makes it easy to lift and pour. With this, our sauce is done and ready, and with this, off goes the flame. Our vegetables, which are stuffed of course, are baked and ready, and we also have a spicy tomato sauce, which is done and ready. Let's quickly move on to the third component, and that is uniting these two components and serving this. And there you have it, my fellow culinary wizards. Baked stuffed vegetables with a spicy tomato sauce extravaganza. May this new year fill your homes, fill your hearts with lots of love and lots of flavor. Do try this recipe at home for your loved ones, more especially for yourself, and have a blast this new year. Have a celebratory New Year 2024. A very special thanks to our magical companion, Thin Kitchen, for providing us thoughtful and accessible products. Introduce yourself to newer magical kitchen experiences by logging into thinkitchen.in. Link in the description box below. Bye for now.